every small incident of crime, which may not be necessarily in terms of negative information disseminated by the responsible electronic and print media, but they will be to an extent which is beyond our control, disseminated by the social media platforms and all. That's why we have to be very, we should know that how negative information can circulate at a faster pace. And it is also quite interesting that any negative news finds more audience, more viewership. This is the truth. Any negative stories, any incident of any crime of this nature has more viewership. So therefore, ensuring a peaceful environment in the state is crucial. My attention has been drawn to the media reports where you have incidents of petty crimes being committed in the footpath against the pedestrians. Just recently, I think there is a story of Saturday, which was carried on Saturday by the print media, about one incident of stabbing in my own locality. And the news also says that in view of the increasing reports of similar crimes, see, is it an increasing meaning? Is this kind of petty crimes? These are not petty crimes. These are crimes being committed by the perpetrators, and if they are allowed to go on committing this crime because of lack of proper investigation and timely charge sheeting and conviction, criminals know how to get away. And therefore, criminals can get emboldened. Therefore, the efficiency of our police organization, which has been demonstrated in this instant case, is required to be demonstrated in every case. We should take every incidence of crime with utmost sense of seriousness. Not only when the whole media put pressure, not only when the whole instance of such crime is brought to the notice of everybody. That is the only time when we should demonstrate, efficiency and competency and responsibility. I think efficiency and competency and the sense of responsibility of police organization has been there. As I've said, we have built strong, resilient, competent, efficient and responsible police organization over the years. I have taken pride in this.